How to file your taxes on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to gather all of your documents. Now choose the right TurboTax version. Then you want to open up TurboTax and sign into your account. Now, the first thing you want to do is enter your personal information such as name, address, social security number, and filing status. Next step is to enter all of your income details. For that, select the option of wages and income. Now, if you are a W-2 employee, you want to import or manually enter your W-2, make sure to fill up all of these informations over here. After that is done, next step is to enter deductions and credits. TurboTax will ask you questions to find deductions and credits that apply to you, such as standard deduction or itemized deduction, education credits, retirement contribution, child tax credit, or earned income tax credit. Once that is done, TurboTax will automatically check for errors, missing info, and deductions you may have overlooked. Now, choose e-file or print and mail your return. If you owe taxes you want to pay directly via bank transfer, credit card, or IRS payment plan. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.